Hello YouTube and welcome again. In this video let us talk about while loops. What are while loops, how to use them, and now let us begin. Now let's create a new file. I'll call it whileloops.py. If you're writing any Python file, the extension should be .py. So now I have created the file. So now let us write here while. No, first let us create a variable name x, and I'll give it a value of 1. Now let us write while while x is lesser than 100, then I'll put a colon, then I'll press enter. As you can see, like if statements and else statements, it is giving us an space. If you ignore the space and write anything, you're not writing under the while loop. So when I press enter, it's giving me the space I need to write there. Now if I write print x, now I'll write x is equal to x plus 1. Now see what I'll get the output. It will print numbers till 99. So okay, it's as you can see, I'll clear the output. Now again I'll do it a little bit smaller, then I'll run it. Now when I run it, it's printing the numbers from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 etc till 99. Why not till 100? Because in programming languages such as Python, the number starts the Python's if you are counting any number by Python starts to count number with 0. Now that's why if you write here 101, it will print till 100. As you can see, it has printed till 100. Now while x is smaller than 101, because 1 is smaller than 101. That's right. So print while x is smaller than 101 or 1 is smaller than 101, print x, then add the x or 1 plus 1. So it will add 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 2 3 4 5 6 like that. It would continue. Now that's why it printed numbers till 1 to 100. If you get any error like this, just clear the output, then do it like this. Okay, here is our output. It has been printed till 100. If I write here 102, you guessed it, it will print till 101, as you can see here. Now here, if I wanted to print iron 5 times, you can just write print, you can just write here You can just like write like this, then copy it, paste it 5 times. But what if you want to print iron more than 100,000 or 1 lakh times? You cannot do that. So that's why while loop is here. So I'll comment it out because I don't want to print it. So it has been commented. Now let us press enter and write WH. While 1 is lesser than, let's write 100 or 1000, then I'll put the colon. Then when you write colon, as you can see here, some spacing is coming, so you need to write after that spacing. If you're using an older IDE, or you when you press enter you don't get spacing, you can just press tab and it will go to the exact spacing. So whenever PR print iron, now it will print me for 1000 times. No, it will print me, see here how many times it has been printed. So you can not just do this like this, it's very useful. You don't have to copy code and paste it like that. Even if I want to print, now when I run it, let me take this up, the output section. Okay, now it's up. Now let me clear the output. So the output has been cleared. Now let me run it and it will print it 999 times. I think VS Code has been stuck. Let's see when it comes up. So here our VS Code has been stuck. It's 5 minutes. It has been stuck, is not responding. So that's how you use while loops. You don't need to copy paste, or if you want to print more than 1 lakh times, instead of here thousands, you can write 1 lakh 1. Yeah, that's how you write. As I said, in Python the counting starts from, oh, see here the programming is not responding. So in Python, let's go back to our video. In Python counting starts from 0. In maths, I think that's called whole numbers. So that's why if you want to print 1,000 times, you need to write 1001. If you want to print 100 times, you need to write 101. If you want to print 10 times, you need to write 11 instead of 10. So that's it for this video. In next video we'll look about for loops. This was the video for while loops. Now in next video we'll look about for loops. Thanks for watching. My name is Ayan Khan. I'll see you in the next video.